that I bought was this lipstick. The next thing that I bought, is it a microphone? Last thing that I bought was this little tripod. Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of my channel. I'm begging you, please click on that subscribe button, you know, that red button down there, so that every time when I post a video, YouTube is gonna send you a notification. And to everybody who subscribes to my channel, thank you so much, guys. Thank you 1,000, hundreds, and million times. Let's move this channel to 500 subscribers, to 1,000 subscribers, to 100k, to a million, to infinity. I like it when you do so. So today's video is gonna be an unboxing. I have to make a confession, guys. I have to make a confession. I am addicted to online shopping, but I don't blame myself. Like, it was great because it's worth it. And if you're among people who used to have like trust issues, if you know, I used to not trust online shopping, guys, because I thought, like, what if it's a scam? What if I pay my money and afterwards or what if, you know, they give me something, you know, those funny pictures they take like on social media where you bought something from Wish and then they send you little thing. Like, no. But Takealot is one convenient, is one reliable online shop that you can trust. First, they send your order within it takes like around about 3 to 5 days. Amazing. And if you take impahla ezibiza ngaphezulu ka 500 rand, they send your order for free. Delivery will be free. And if it happens that you buy something and then afterwards outside time, you can actually send it back for free. They send a courier guy to you, then maybe sell it away. One amazing thing, another amazing thing is they credit you. They give you your money back, or they just credit your Takealot account. Amazing, guys. I have to tell you, I'm still waiting for somebody who's going to start a company where because I do not like going to places, you know, crowded places, like where there's so many people. It makes me sick, it gives me anxiety. So if you've been looking for a business, I just give you a business idea. Okay, let's get straight into the unboxing video. Okay, let's see what we have here. I know actually what I bought, but I'm acting like I don't. Because you know how other YouTubers do. Okay. So the first thing that I bought was this lipstick. I don't even know like the brand. But like the reason I bought this, it was because it was really cheap. I think it was 100 and something rand, and I haven't tried the color, but I hope I'm gonna like it. And if I do, then I'm gonna buy more lipstick because it's really cheap, you guys. Let me just swap it. Oh wow, I like it. Like, I really like it. I bought this lipstick and it's so bad. So take a little step. Close to 500 rand, and I had to buy something with a delivery fee. You'd rather buy something like 100 rand than paying 100 rand for delivery fee, if you feel what I'm saying, if I make any sense. The next thing that I bought, is it a microphone? It's Boya Lavalier. Oh gosh, it's Lavalier microphone. You can actually use this microphone, good phone, good tablets, good computer, good camera, which I'm hoping they're gonna work for Ninyam. Because I once bought a rod, which I heard from most people who wanna write for YouTube videos, and then it turned out the camera microphones, and I was so disappointed. So I had to send them back to Takealot, and then my credits are back in Miami, which is amazing. So okay, it comes with this really nice little bag, which I like, by the way, because like sometimes the have a microphone and then it's only one. Oh guys, like, I like it already. It's one of those microphones I think lokhu kufaka mhlawumbe uma ukuthi into uzoyifaka computer. I'm not sure. Oh guys, yeah, she's a lot. Oh yeah, like this, and then you can actually put it to the computer, and then you also get the clamp there. I think it's supposed to go like this. Okay, I will have to like read Emmanuel Yalana, because I know this, you clip it like in your clothes or something, and then I'm not sure if this goes here. Let me see. No, it has. I have to try and figure out how this works, but hopefully this is going to work in my iPhone, because if it doesn't, then I'll be really disappointed. Last thing that I bought was this little tripod, because I'm sure you've seen most people lava bathanda ukwenza ama vlogs and stuff baphethe lento encane and then going around and talking. And if you've been wondering where you can buy this, I'm gonna put down links on the description box just in case any of you guys are interested in buying these things. Kuzoba easy. It was really cheap. I can't tell you the exact price, but then because ngizonifakela ama links, you guys will see which. Oh, okay, it's little, but I mean, I'm sure I'm gonna be able to put my phone. Okay, I'm gonna put this together and come back to you guys. Okay, there you go. So I'm sure Guba going around and like, hey, this and that. It's very small. I was expecting something a little bit bigger, but I like it. It's like, I really like it because in nane, so that means I can grip it like very nice, and you can actually put it down. Like if you want to take pictures by yourself, you can put this down, put the timer on, and take good pictures. Or if you have something like ezokhona ukuthi bambelele kuyo, uyakwazi ukuyigobisa, you know, ubambe ngayo. Let me say you're hiking and you want to take a picture like in a very nice, maybe like you see like a really nice river, you can just put this ehlahleni, time it, and take a good picture, if you feel what I'm saying. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me if it helped you, more especially content creators. I know those things are one of the things you guys need the most. If don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Until next time guys, bye.